go-to destination for practical and inspiring home decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's video, we are diving into the world of pea gravel patio design. A budget-friendly, visually charming, and highly flexible solution for turning any ordinary backyard into an extraordinary outdoor haven. A pea gravel patio design refers to an outdoor living space created using small, rounded river stones, typically the size of a pea, as the primary surface material instead of traditional concrete, stone pavers, or wood decking. These smooth, naturally weathered stones come in a variety of soft neutral shades, including buff, gray, white, and translucent brown, giving the space a rustic yet sophisticated texture. A pea gravel patio design focuses on combining structural edging with loose gravel to create defined, permeable, and aesthetically pleasing areas for relaxation, dining, and entertaining right in your backyard. Choosing a pea gravel patio design offers a multitude of practical and financial advantages for homeowners. First and foremost, pea gravel is exceptionally cost-effective and far easier to install compared to poured concrete or custom flagstones, making it a favorite for DIY enthusiast landscaping projects. Its high permeability allows water to drain naturally into the ground, preventing puddling, erosion, and standing water issues after heavy rains. Additionally, pea gravel flexible surfaces can form easily to any shape, whether you want soft curves or sharp modern angles, while offering low-maintenance upkeep that only requires occasional raking to keep flat and fresh. To make your pea gravel patio look truly spectacular, start by creating clean borders using wood, brick, stone, or metal edging to keep the gravel contained and define your living zone cleanly. Frame the patio perimeter with lush plant borders, potted plants, or raised beds to soften the hardscaping and introduce vibrant colors and textures. Layer in cozy elements like weather-resistant outdoor rugs beneath furniture sets, ambient lighting such as string lights or solar lanterns, and a central focal point like a fire pit or water feature to anchor the design visually. The best items for a pea gravel patio design include sturdy outdoor furniture that can sit stably on gravel, such as wooden adirondack chairs, heavy metal bistro sets, or outdoor sectional sofas with solid bases. A central fire pit, whether built from stone masonry or sleek steel, serves as an irresistible gathering spot that warms the space up during cooler evenings. Decor items like colorful glazed ceramic planters, outdoor throw pillows, warm overhead string lighting, and large stepping stones to create clear walking pathways across the gravel complete the space effortlessly. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best pea gravel patio design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, elegant dual-zone patio with dining and lounge area. This stunning design combines flagstone pavers with a dedicated pea gravel dining section. Featuring a long wooden dining table, coordinating chairs, potted flowers, and lush surrounding gardens, it seamlessly blends rustic stone elements with warm outdoor dining elegance. 2. Modern desert oasis with L-shaped bench and fire pit. Embracing a modern minimalist vibe, this layout features a custom built-in wooden L-shaped bench centered around a sleek square fire pit. Drought-tolerant succulents, blue fescue grass, and large boulders line the pea gravel surface for a clean, desert-inspired retreat. 3. Cottage garden sanctuary with wicker dining set. Surrounded by towering, manicured hedges and vibrant lavender beds, this cozy pea gravel patio highlights a beautiful woven wicker dining set. The natural textures of the gravel and stone walls evoke an intimate European-style secret garden experience. 4. Contemporary backyard chill spot with fire bowl. A modern urban setup featuring low-profile green metal armchairs and a wide built-in bench placed over a clean pea gravel bed. A low-profile metal fire bowl serves as the central accent, perfectly dividing the gravel zone from the lush lawn. 5. Curved pea gravel pathway and lawn design. This smart backyard layout uses sweeping brick-lined curves filled with warm golden pea gravel to create smooth pathways and planter borders. The contrast between dark mulch, green grass, and light gravel gives the entire yard a neat, structured appearance. 6. Ultimate outdoor kitchen and lounge combo. This spacious pea gravel patio functions as a complete outdoor living room, featuring a full stainless steel grill setup, a dining space, and a cozy wicker sectional with a privacy screen behind it, ideal for hosting large family BBQs and weekend parties. 7. Rustic fire pit circle with wooden adirondack chairs. A classic rustic retreat centered around a circular stone masonry fire pit set directly on a wide bed of pea gravel. 4 sturdy dark wood adirondack chairs are arranged symmetrically around the fire, bordered by soft ornamental grasses and mature trees. 8. Family-friendly lounge with playhouse corner. Designed with the whole family in mind, this layout features a low concrete fire table, a neutral-tone sectional sofa, and a stylish mini playhouse tucked into the adjacent lawn area, bordered cleanly with natural wood beams. 9. Vibrant tropical nook with bright pink bougainvillea. Pop of color defines this vibrant patio nook. Featuring dark metal lounge chairs with crimson cushions, turquoise glazed ceramic pots, and a towering pink bougainvillea plant against a wooden border, this pea gravel space feels exotic and lively. 10. Covered dining and outdoor living pavilion. A comprehensive outdoor design featuring a large patio umbrella over a white wicker dining table, an outdoor barbecue station, and an adjacent lounging area. Timber edging keeps the crisp pea gravel contained along a pristine green privacy hedge. Pea gravel patios prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to create a stylish, functional, and inviting outdoor living space. Whether you prefer a rustic fire pit layout, a lush cottage garden vibe, or a modern minimalist retreat, pea gravel offers endless flexibility to bring your dream backyard to life. If you enjoyed this video and found these design ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home and garden content. Drop a comment down below and let us know which of these 10 pea gravel patio ideas was your favorite. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.